Hello, my friends. This is Paul Drockton with Drockton, Bullion and Coin. We have the guaranteed lowest prices on silver and gold anywhere in the United States. It's just a fact. And I am broadcasting from my brick and mortar operation located in Spanish Fork, Utah. Now, one of the questions I've gotten, uh, for over a decade, is how do I conduct business with gold and silver? How do you do it? Well, here's the reality. Gold and silver, in Utah at least, is legal tender. So you can legally conduct business anywhere, though, because barter is always legal. What's illegal is not reporting the transaction. And that's what you need to understand. So the best way to do this would be simply for you to accept gold and silver in your business and then resell it to me, and I can convert it to cash for you. But remember, every transaction has to be recorded and every transaction is taxed. So if someone comes into your business and they want to buy groceries, for example, well, you know what? You're going to have to record a transaction, and you're going to have to charge them sales tax and pay the state what it's owed. Of course, if you make money in your business with gold and silver, the IRS is going to want you to pay income taxes on it, just like you would anything else. So the key really is good record keeping, and that will keep you out of trouble. Every time I've seen people involved in bartering, where they get into problems is they don't record their transactions. Now, look, I'm not an accountant. You can talk to your accountant about what I'm recommending, but it's simply keeping good records and saying, look, instead of taking a $20 bill for this transaction, I took a silver coin. So the next question is, how would I conduct business with gold and silver? Well, it's really simple. I would look at the spot price of gold and silver, and then I would discount it. So let's say that spot price of silver right now is $17. If you came into a grocery store that I owned and you wanted to buy groceries with that, I would allow you a credit of $15.50. And then that gives you the ability to resell that silver to me at a profit, or that gold to me at a profit. That's what I would do. Now, remember what I said. It's the record keeping that gets people into trouble when it comes to bartering. That's the only problem the IRS has ever had with bartering. Bartering's always been legal. And gold and silver is just a simple commodity that you're trading with someone else. So it doesn't matter whether your state has officially declared that gold and silver is legal tender like Utah has. Absolutely not. It doesn't make a difference. It's just exchanging something of value with something else. When I go to work, I'm trading my time for money, right? If you come to my house and I say, hey, I've got an old car in the backyard that I'll trade you for a 4x4, well, that's barter, right? There's no laws against barter. As I said, the biggest problem people have is not keeping good records and not charging sales tax or not paying income tax. So, look, I'm not an accountant. Talk to your accountant about what I'm telling you right now. But it's really, really easy. So if you've got silver and you want to do business with somebody, just explain this to them. That's it. And boom, you probably will be able to conduct business with your gold and silver. Now, ultimately, when you think in terms of barter, you got to think in terms of a store of value. Because let's pretend you live on a farm and you've got cows. You've got 100 of them, right? And you're thinking to yourself, boy, I'd like to convert these cows into some kind of usable commodity. Well, what's the difference if you sell those cows for dollars, or if you sell those cows for dollars and then convert that to silver or gold? There's no difference. They're stores of value. The reality is, though, is that paper currencies are losing value. So over time, your paper currency is going to lose the ability to buy the same thing it can buy today, whereas traditionally and historically, gold and silver have been a consistent hedge with inflation. Anywho, this is Paul Drockton with Drockton, Bullion, and Coin. Come see us at 1266 East Center Street in Spanish Fork, Utah, for all your gold and your silver needs, and we guarantee the lowest price anywhere. Have a great day.